It's Easter. It's ham logs. My sauce is a little thick. First time I've ever made cherry sauce. 45 minutes. They look kind of nice. They actually look... Their picture showed 10 logs. I had about 8.5. I made them big. But actually, these are kind of nice size. We have to try it. I've never had homemade cherry sauce, and I've never had ham logs. Let's do it. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty solid. Get some sauce on here. Ham log. It's a little gritty. This said ground smoked ham. I don't have a meat grinder. Flavor's very good. I have to take a taste of this sauce. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, okay. I think my only problem was the ground smoked ham. It's giving it a little bit of a gritty texture. Let's try another bite. Ham flavor is very mild, very nice. It's delicious. The flavor is delicious. Maybe I just didn't grind it long enough. I had a very fine grind. I'm going to take this cherry. See if I can get that. That's delicious. Take another piece of this cherry. It held together pretty well. I just have to work out the grinding of the smoked ham. Get it softer, you know? I thought I could do it in my little teeny food processor. That's really good. It tastes really good. Wow. Okay. Oh. Thanks for joining me this Easter. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? That's delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.